15 degrees, snow's really picked up. There's just tree branches everywhere. This is a little bit more fluffier snow now, finally. But there's been no updates at all on the news. They keep Weather Channel's talking about Midwest snowstorm in the East Coast, but yeah, look at all the branches. Yeah, wow. The wind's coming up. And then that got broke by a tree. Glass ornament. Yeah, I just hope one of these trees doesn't come down. And I guess my stepsister's house, her and her husband and 3 dogs, they lost power. So I wouldn't want to drive in this stuff. Yeah. But it's a lot better snow. If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't be that bad. Man. Yeah, there's tree branches in the street. And this entire area up here, I mean, there's, you know, those size trees, 120 foot tall or so, maybe higher. Trees everywhere. So we're lucky we still have power. If not, we got the wood stove. So, but it's probably, I want to say, maybe a ½ inch so far on top of the shit that was dumped this morning, which is mostly ice pellets and stuff. But yeah, be a lot of cleanup work once it stops snowing tomorrow or the next day. But there's yeah, it's a lot better snowpack now. But yeah, it's freaking freezing ass cold. In the high, or the low tonight is going to be 13 degrees, and that's without wind chill. So it's going to get really nasty. There we go. There's good old Glory. Yeah. So if you're up here in the Northwest, like I said, stay safe. Church got canceled tomorrow. I got a text notification of that. It's just too crazy for people to eat out. So anyway. Okay guys, take care. Stay safe.